Trackside, diverting East Coast mainline service to London King's Cross.
Hello and welcome to my latest Ballan Parkway video. I'm using a new camera now, which is my new mobile phone camera, which is a really good camera. So I'm going to be using this more for the layouts. Basically, you get down to lower level doing the video. So on this video, I'm just doing a small update, what I've been doing since last year, and some short footages of various locomotives and trains going around, start and stopping and start-up modes, and some photographs as well. So enjoy. You'll find it's a better quality than before with the footage due to the technology has got better. So enjoy the video. I've purchased two vans here from Trackside, double gauge. One's a Bedford van and one's a Morris, a Bedford VA or something. They're quite old vans. But these are great models actually. I think they're the first Trackside models I've purchased. But that just fits into this little scenic building here. It's like a little sorting office. But yeah, they're pretty good actually. Nicely painted. I may do a little bit of weathering, but nothing too severe, because I like to keep them clean obviously. But yeah, I think it suits the depot. I'm going to get some more vans. Some the same, some not. I'm quite impressed with those. Just show you this little scene here. Some scrap cars. These come pre-painted from Goodwood Scenics. I'm just in this little scrapyard scene here from this business that's going on here. There's a little driveway around the back. And these are really good. They're cars that have been gutted, mainly yellow and red. So the seats, most of the seats have been taken out. And they're weathered as well. This one here isn't. That's an old Oxford diecast car that I've just taken out. It was outside at some stage, just rotted away. So I've just put that into the mix, if you like. And I really like that. Really good little addition there. So I'm going to get some more of those. Probably a couple, maybe three. I'll do some more scrap items around here. So it's a little mini scrapyard, breaker's yard if you like. So the components have been stripped from the cars there. I don't know what make those cars are. I can't make them out at all. But it works. Just purchased these, I'll say just, probably a couple of months ago now, maybe before Christmas. These brute trolleys, B-R-U-T-E, which you see all over the network for British Rail. Put one down here as well. So these are from West Hill Wagon Works. You have to paint them. But I really enjoyed this because I've weathered the interior a bit with scratch marks. put a primer on there first. But I had the Bachmann ones, which were not really to scale. The mesh on the Bachmann ones was just far too large. It was more toyish. These are much better. So they come plain. You have to take them off the sprue, paint them yourself, but I like them. They've come out really well, actually. So we've got 3 of these, I think. Just 3 so far. I will get some more of these. But yeah, more to scale than the Bachmann ones. You've got the little yellow latches there. I think they were locks or something. got these oil drums here from Bunter's Yard, a company called Bunter's Yard. It might be independent. Various ones. I'm really impressed with these. They're weathered, so you've got the Castrol oil drums and Esso as well. They do various different kinds of drums. Quite a good variety, actually. But, yes, I'm impressed with these. So I've dotted these around the layout. If you can just see inside the shed, there's a couple down there. Actually, there's more than a couple. It's quite a few. But they're really good. I'm impressed. Very impressed. So I'll be getting some more of these. Just scattered around the layout. As you would see back then. And probably even today. Also a recent purchase, well, probably a few months ago now, is this Austin Allegro Estate. I remember the handles at the side are indented. You have to get your hand inside to pull the door open. Inside the actual handle. A little bit of a well there, I remember those. But this is a funny tan colour. Just parked outside there. I got that from Bluebell Railway. It was a store there. I think £3 I paid for that, which isn't bad for these now. That just sits nicely there.